It's obviously a huge moment for all the Indian cricketers to be able to just get recognized and rewarded for their achievements. How do you look at them? You attended quite a few in your time.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, I don't remember how much I've been to, but it's always nice to just get together as a cricketing fraternity and share your, thoughts over what has happened, throughout the year. You see many faces which you actually don't get to see when you play, but it's always nice to get together and get rewarded as well. A lot of players who have performed really well throughout the year gets rewarded, so it's a nice function. I remember the last time we were in Hyderabad and now in Bombay.
Excellent. Now, eyes on the ICC Champions Trophy. Of course, the ICC titles come every year, so no pressure in that sense. But what are the preparations like? You were sweating it out in domestic cricket as well, just getting ready for the challenge of the ODI series and then followed by the Champions Trophy.
Yeah, look, ICC Trophy, as we know, comes every year now. So there's no time for you to take the pedal off the gas. You always want to be there and, be ready for that challenge. We recently finished the T20 World Cup, which was superb for us. Now we look forward to another one, which is in a few weeks' time. Everyone's, getting prepared in their own fashion. A lot of the guys are playing domestic cricket. A lot of the guys are playing international cricket as well. When the time comes, it's all about just getting your mind right and focusing on what lies ahead.
There's a high-octane India-Pakistan clash on the 23rd of February. How do you expect the seniors to contribute, given the fact that the squad has a good blend of youth and experience?
Look, I think in the past 2 or 3 years, I've spoken a lot about that game. It's just a game for us. We will try and do what is required for any cricket team to do on that particular day. No special mentioning about, from our side at least, about that particular game. We just want to show up there and show up well.
And I'm sure you'll show up with the trophy at the Wankhede as well, as you promised not too long ago. Rohit, thank you so much for your time. Cheers.
Well, I guess the